Welcome to today's tutorial. And today we are going to look at on how to make nice drum set like a plow. You can make whatever you want. You can make a 4/4, a 3/4, a 2/6. A lot of drum sets that you can make. But today we are going to look at a 4/4 track, a 4x4 track. All right, let's start. To begin with, we are going to add nice kicks, a nice snare, nice clap, nice hat, and nice lolling or the drums. Okay, as you can see, if you are able to hear the sound of this kick, it's not good. So you are not supposed to use this kick unless you don't have samples, unless you don't have samples. But you can download samples. There's a lot of sites where you can find samples. If you wish to have some of the samples, you can contact me and so that I can give you. Okay, let's start. I'm going to add only snare, hat, kick, and the shake. Okay, after adding these samples, then we go to the tempo size. We go to the tempo size. We add the metron so that we can hear the speed of the song. You can use a mouse to adjust the speed here. Alright, that's all. So here on the kick, you can light click and select on few each by 8. Let's hear how it's going to sound. Wow, that's good. Now, so after that, we selected 8. Remember, we selected few each 8 steps. So on the hat, we are going to fill it by 4. and add the snare by one. We're going to add it manually. Then we also plot the tringle. We just reduce the volume a bit. Then we add the shaker. Then we reduce the kick a bit. Okay, you can look at what I did and copy these files, and you hear how it is going to sound. Make drum set like a pro, like you're not a beginner. Make everything as if you are a professional. You can do it. I know you can do it. Alright, for today, this is what I've decided to teach you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share to others. Please, if you'd like to learn more about these things, you are free to inbox, get the WhatsApp line, get in touch with me. Then you enjoy the list. Thank you very much.